Good morning, sir. Can you please tell me about the types of keys in the hotel?
Sure. Write it down so that you can remember. In the hotel, the keys are classified as Grand Master Key, Floor Master Key and Section Key. Depending on the rights assigned to every key, they can open only a particular set of rooms or all rooms in the hotel. The Grand Master Key is issued to the General Manager. It can open all doors in the hotel and also open doors that are double locked.
What is a double lock?
Guests may choose to put the deadbolt that is available on the lock. If they use that, then the room is said to be double locked. It is an extra safety feature, but in case of any emergency it can be difficult to open these doors. So the Grand Master Key is used in such cases.
What is the key you issue to housekeeping room attendants?
That would be the Floor Master Key. That key can only open the door on a particular floor. It cannot open rooms on other floor. If the floor has many rooms, the floor may also have section keys that can open only those set of rooms. Then there is a Master Key as well, that is usually carried by the executive housekeeper and the duty manager. That can open doors across the hotel, but not the double locked doors. If you have not seen the video on the key and key control, do click the link above and check it out.
Thank you, Mr. Bindra. Today, I learned about the various types of keys in the hotel. If you want to learn with me, subscribe to the channel and learn with me. If you click the bell icon, you will also get notification whenever we release a new video.
This playlist on the left, yes, that one about housekeeping, is a very good resource for learning about housekeeping for hotels. Go ahead, click on it to watch the next video. Also, you will find more interesting articles and courses by visiting clarifiedbetter.com. The links are available in the description box below, so do check that out as well.
See you in the next video.